Let's start by importing our training methods and motivation data into Enterprise Guide. We'll take a look at it. We should have the same data that appeared on Blackboard for us. And to describe this data, let's get some summary statistics. So describe summary statistics. Completion time is our variable of analysis. Motivation and training method are classification variables. And the only thing I really want here is the average. So let's run this. We'll get our average times to completion. And we can look at this to get a feel for what our data is going to be telling us. It looks like the classroom times are lower than anything else. It looks like the computer-based times are higher than anyone else, with self-study in the middle. So it looks like we're going to find that classroom probably takes less time than self-study, probably takes less time than computer-based, but we're not sure about that yet. Similarly, if we compare across motivation levels, for classroom, 11's less than 16. For computer-based, 19.5 is less than 40. For self-study printed, 13 is less than 28. So it looks like the high motivation group is taking less time than the low motivation group. The third thing we can check looking at this data is whether we expect to find interaction. What we're looking at here is, does it seem like, for example, the motivation level has the same effect for each of the training methods? Low motivation adds 5 hours to the time for classroom-based, 20.5 hours to the time for computer-based, and 15 hours to the time for self-study. If we were definitely having no interaction, we'd expect those differences to be similar. We're not sure whether these differences are similar enough or not, so we don't know based on this if we've got interaction.